Hello, my name is Haldur and I'm gonna show you how to use the basics of Loft. So today we're gonna create something like a vase to use with the Loft command. So just let's get started. So the first thing I want to do is to go to create sketch. I'm gonna select my top plane here and I'm gonna choose this center diameter circle, or you can press C. I'm gonna drag it out and then I'm gonna press 16. I'm gonna then go to finish sketch and then I'm gonna go to construct. I'm gonna go to offset plane and select my circle. I'm gonna drag this a little bit up to 60 again and press enter. Next up, I wanna create another sketch. I'm gonna click on my offset plane and I'm gonna just make a rectangle. So I'm gonna go here to create a rectangle and center rectangle. Alrighty, I'm gonna maybe select my top view to see it a little bit better. Okay, this is good. Alright, I'm gonna just have it 45. I'm gonna press the tab to jump between and press 45 again. Alright, then I'm gonna do a finish sketch. I need to do it one more time actually, the same process. So I'm gonna go to the construct offset plane and select my box. I'm gonna move it up a little bit and then I'm just gonna press 60. And I'm gonna actually try to make another shape. So I'm gonna create sketch, select my plane, and create, polygon maybe? Yeah, let's take this polygon, drag it in the center. I'm gonna make it a tiny bit just smaller, maybe in the between the shapes. Yeah, 25. Oh, okay. So here we have it. So I'm gonna go to finish sketch and now we can start using the loft command. So we can select first the profiles and then do the loft, but I'm gonna just go to create and loft. I'm gonna select my circle and then the box and then yeah. So this is very interesting, but we can actually do a little bit more. So we can see here on the profile 1 that is the bottom. So we're gonna go here profile 1. We're gonna choose the direction, and here is like a take of weight, and this arrow is the same for that, so we can kinda lift it up and down. We can also choose this take of angle, and we're gonna choose this 35, and then we're gonna get like this interesting shape, so it's more like a little bit more vase-like. Alright, I'm gonna actually make this a little bit narrow here in the middle, so I'm gonna choose the profile 3. And I'm going to choose the direction. I'm gonna just try it out. You can see there is nothing so much happening because we need to change this. I'm gonna just choose 45 again and try to move it a little bit down, so we're gonna get a little bit extreme angle. So I think this is something we want to go for, so I'm gonna just press OK. Let's see what happens. Okay, cool. So now we almost are done with our crazy looking vase. So we are gonna go to this shell modifier and we're gonna press it. We're gonna press the top and then we're gonna just choose 3 millimeters or something like that. And now we have a open vase. Maybe put a flower in. It's quite small vase, but yeah, kinda like it.